Your vision deserves nothing less than perfection. Introducing Quantum byBoz, crafted exclusively for Blackmagic Gen 5 color science cameras. Inspired by the legendary KODAK VISION3 500T film stock, Quantum blends rich, cool shadows and luminous golden highlights for split-toning precision. Preserving natural skin tones and unlocking maximum dynamic range, it's designed to retain every last drop of detail in the shadows and highlights with unmatched image fidelity. With a custom film curve and authentic 2383 film print emulation, Quantum transforms your digital footage into more than just a look. Because true storytelling begins with color. Quantum byBoz, refined for Blackmagic, tailored for you. Download now.